Hey everyone, today we're diving into the design section. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your slides with themes, colors, fonts, and backgrounds. Let's get started. Once you're on the editing page, look for the Design tab on the left menu. Here, you can find options for themes and you can choose the best option for your deck. It's all about making your presentation look exactly how you want it. Decktopus offers a variety of professionally designed themes to choose from. Just scroll through the list and you can click on any theme to see how it looks with your presentation. To change a slide's background, click on Background and you can choose from the options given. For those who love to get a bit more detailed, Decktopus offers advanced customization. Go to the Style section and click on 3 dots to choose Duplicate. A new page called Style Builder will be opened and you can customize a whole new theme. At the top left, you will see sections like Colors, Font, Style, and Background. From the Colors section, you can change the colors of your theme and create a new theme based on the former theme. You can choose by hovering your mouse or writing down a color code. You can also make the color gradient for a personal touch. From the Fonts section, you can adjust your theme's font style to perfectly match the tone of your presentation. Decktopus offers a variety of font styles to choose from. If you have a specific branding font that you use for your business or personal brand, you can easily upload it at this step, ensuring your presentation stays consistent with your brand identity. This feature allows you to maintain a cohesive and professional look, no matter the audience or purpose of your presentation. From the Style section, you can adjust the size, font, and spacing of all text elements and use this data automatically for each of your slides. And lastly, in the Background section, you have the flexibility to upload and customize your background images to enhance the visual appeal of your slides. This customization feature helps you create visually engaging slides that capture your audience's attention. After all your customizations are done, give your new theme style a unique name. This helps you easily identify and reuse the style in future presentations. Once you've named it, simply click on Save. Your new theme will appear in your Design tab, making it accessible for any of your upcoming projects. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures consistent branding across all your presentations. That's it. Enjoy Decktopus and happy presenting!